try. Yeah? Yeah. Is it melon? Okay.
这个放哪去啊？
Sink.
这里 right here.
I used to do that
Sink.
professionally. That's why I was
Oh.
volunteering.
Sink. Aaron, you don't need this one, right?
Here you go. There's room there.
Right here.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Oh, you don't have one, huh?
Is it cold?
No. Is it supposed to be?
Apparently not.
No. Is it supposed to be?
Frequently it's served chilled, but it'll be just as good not chilled.
Really?
Maybe better.
Should we put it on ice? Pardon?
Put it in the freezer.
Put it in the freezer?
It'll chill faster.
Okay. Well, do you
If
mind?
you want, you can probably separate it into 2 cups so that there's more surface area and it'll chill even faster.
Okay, open it. Arugula is good. I like arugula.
Or you won't, but it's only one meal and you can go out for hamburgers later. Bayamim, Baham, Bazman, Hazeh.
Omen. Okay. So I'll
We'll
set
set
them
them up,
in, and you
And
like.
I will like.
Okay, as soon as you guys are ready to eat, I will put the fish on.
All right,
I
all
think
right.
that we're ready.
Almost ready.
Now, Grandma, what are you doing?
We're lighting Hanukkah candles.
Hanukkah. I mean, light up 8 candles. 1 candle a day, right?
Yeah, so we're lighting 4 candles, 5 with the shamash.
You want your head covering?
She already said the prayer.
Already
so
did
we're
it?
gonna do it.
So and
What's
I
the
only do it
reason for
the
that?
Prayers.
You're
Being
supposed to cover
incredibly.
you're supposed to cover your head because it shows a sign of respect towards God.
Oh, okay.
Because if your head is on for men specifically, well, women, okay, for women the reason that you cover your head is because you have a direct connection to God. Men, there needs to be 10 men together to pray to have her voice heard by God. It's kind of sexist. But it's because
more
women,
balanced.
yeah, well, yeah. Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Don't ask me. I don't know.
There's a packet of fish in the bottom.
And I think the reason for that is that women, the word woman woman in Hebrew
This?
has the symbol of God in the word. So that means that they are closer to God
Bottom
I
left?
didn't know that.
because
No, not
we
in
can
the
carry
drawer, on the
life.
shelf. It might be
That's how
pushed
we're
to the
closer to
back.
God because we can create and carry life.
It's a giant bundle of paper.
Oh, on the top shelf.
Oh, I put it on the bottom. I guess I moved it.
Good.
Hanukkah.
It's Hanukkah. You've been lighting candles.
Every
Proud.
night.
Hmm?
Mom, are you going to put this on YouTube?
Yeah, this one will be on to YouTube.
Oh, 这张。
Are you supposed to eat the black part of the fish with
Keep
it?
them at the skin.
Yeah. Okay.
You don't need that
The
one.
skin is where there's a lot of extra nutrients and stuff.
Oh.
I don't need a fair one.
No,
They're like
Farrah's
fish.
not eating this. That's not fair.
Oh, we still have,
Give this to Farah, and I will have to arm wrestle her for it.
we still have that steak.
And I will win because I'm bigger and smarter.
Eric,
Maybe.
amazing. That bite just melted.